In this demonstration, we'll show you just how easy it is to use Verity's network backup and recovery process, known as Network Time Traveler. Network Time Traveler allows operators to perform scheduled or ad hoc switch configuration backups across the entire managed network. To access this feature, simply click on the Time Traveler icon located within the management bar. Here we see a list of scheduled and automated backups which occur every 24 hours by default. To perform a manual backup, which is commonly done before a major change is pushed to production, simply click the plus icon in the upper left corner of the screen. We can now name our backup and provide any relevant information in the Notes section. Then click the check icon. We can now see our manual backup has been added to the list of automatically generated backups. On the right side of this screen, you see a number of icons in the Actions column. The first icon allows us to view and edit our backup notes. The next two icons allow us to compare this configuration backup with the currently running configuration or the previously saved backup. The fourth icon in this section allows us to restore the currently running configurations with this specific backup. Next, the icon with the arrow pointing directly down is how we can download this backup for off-system and off-site storage. And finally, the last icon in this section allows operators to delete the backup. To perform a restore, we click on the Restore icon. Here, we are given the choice of what part of the backed up configurations we wish to restore. In our example, we'll simply restore the entire network configuration by clicking the Import button and then confirming we understand the risks. We can then click the Begin Import button to start the restore process. During the configuration restore process, all Verity upgrade functions are disabled to ensure a successful restore. Verity will then proceed to automatically restore each switch configuration from the chosen backup.